Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So let's continue discussing our event handling mechanisms in Python's turtle module. Okay, so yes. So what if we want some events to be triggered when we click onto the turtle object on the screen? So for that we got a method. It is called onclick method. Okay, so this method, it is from the turtle class, and the scope of this method is that particular turtle which we are going to click. Okay, once we click onto the turtle, yes, some functions will be executed and some events will be triggered because of that. Let's see that method using this program. Okay, so as usual, we have imported turtle and screen class from the turtle module, and then we have created two objects, that is screen for screen class and toy, it is an object for turtle class. Okay, and we got two functions here. Okay, the first function change color, it has parameters x and y, and what it is doing is the turtle is going to change its color. Second function, it is change shape of, and it has two parameters x and y. In that we have created a turtle named Joy, and as well we are asking the Joy to go to a certain coordinates using the go to method, and as well to change its shape once done. Okay, yes. So as you all know, before event handling methods, we have to call a listen of method. So I have already discussed this in our prior video. If you have not really watched it, just go watch it. Link is in description. Okay, so let's continue. So here comes our onclick of method. So toy.onclickoff, as it is from the turtle class, and this onclickoff method has certain arguments. Okay, so first argument, it is the function reference. What is the function that needs to be executed once this method is triggered? So second argument is button, that is mouse buttons. Okay, so by default it is set to 1, indicating the left button click of mouse is listened to, and 2 refers to center, and 3 refers to the right click. And if you want, yes, you can choose. Here I have not used it. And the third argument is add. Okay, so by default it is set to false. So when you turn this argument to true, it just allows the execution of more than one function or task when the user clicks. Okay, I have used this here in this program. See, so here I have actually binded two functions to a single click. Okay, so first it will change its color to red, and as well I have given add is equal to true by passing this function reference change shape of. So what it happens after changing its color, this also simultaneously happens, like a Joy is created, another one turtle, that is what we named here, and it goes to the certain coordinate and it just changes its shape to square. Okay, so let's see the output. So this is it. On the single click, it turned to red, and as well the Joy is created under the square shape. Fine, yeah. What if we want certain events to be triggered when user clicks on any part of the screen? Yes, for that also we got a method, that is onscreenclicl. This method, it is from the screen class, and it has the arguments same as that of the onclickoff method. Like we have to pass the function reference, that is the function which has to be executed once the click happens, and as well button, that is mouse buttons, and it also has the argument add. So we can bind multiple functions or tasks to a single click. So the scope of this method is the entire turtle screen. Okay, so let's see this functionality using this program. In the same program, I have just made the necessary details. So here, after calling that screen.listenOf method, we are calling that screen.onScreenClickOff, and in that I have passed only the function reference, that is the function which has to be executed once when the user clicks on any part of the screen. So that is screenClickOff. Okay, so what this function does here in sense, whenever a user click on any place on the screen, it is just going to write onto that screen the screen click at certain coordinates, that is x and y. So this function has to accommodate that x and y values. That is the one important condition when we pass a function reference here. So it is doing it. So inside this function, what we are asking the turtle friend to do, first it has to pen up, then it has to go to that certain coordinates, that is where the user is clicking there, and then we are asking the turtle to pen down, and we are asking the turtle friend to write something onto the screen like screen click at certain x and y coordinates, like where the user is clicking, that certain coordinates will be displayed. So how it is written? Yes, using the write of method. So write of method, it is from the turtle class. Okay, and it has certain arguments. So first it is the text, what we have to write onto that screen, that have to be sent. Then we can send the font, that is it is a tuple. Okay, like font name and font size and font type could be sent. And as well we got align. Okay, like center, left and right. If we want, yes, we can use that. I have not used it here. Another argument is move. Okay, so by default it is set to false. If we turn it to true instance, after writing this text, our turtle object will move to the right end of the text. Fine? Yes. Now let's see the output. So this is it. I just randomly clicked on several places and you could see that screen click at certain coordinates. Yes. So this is it. So let's see another one method, that is clear of method from drawings control. Okay, so what it does in sense, it just clears off the drawings from the screen, but it won't disturb the state and position of our turtle friend. Okay, so this simple program is we have imported the turtle and screen class, we have created the necessary objects, and then we randomly ask our turtle friend to move forward to 200 steps and take a right turn of 90 degree, then asking the turtle to go to some random coordinates like 230, and it normally does this. Once when we call this clear of method, what happens? Our turtle friend would be right now in that 230. We can't see the path that it traveled till reaching this coordinate, or if it has drawn any diagrams or whatever it is. Everything will be cleared. Okay, so let's see the output. So this is how our final output looked like, because all the path got erased and our turtle is in some different position. Fine. Yeah. We now for some time are discussing this event handling methods, right? So on every event handling method, we are sending the function reference and not the function call. So why is it that? So let's say using this simple program. So what does the simple program does in sense, when we click onto that up arrow key in our console, we'll get an message like I'm clicked. Okay, this is what we have to achieve. But instead of passing function reference, let's try passing a function call into it. Okay, so once when I execute this program, what happens? Right away I'll get the output I am clicked on the console. The program never really waits for me to press the up arrow key or something like that, because that event handling mechanism is completely lost, because we have sent the function call. Okay, once when Python see this function call, right away it execute the function. It won't wait till we press the key or something. But once when we send a function reference, what happens? We are sending that function as an argument. So we are telling Python the certain function has to be executed later when the certain key or event is triggered. See, this is the output for both the scenarios. So here, yes, right away we got that output I am clicked. And after that your program would be completely numb. It won't respond anything. And here, as we send the function reference, what happens? How many times you are clicking onto the key? Yes, I am clicked would be displayed that many times. Okay, so fine. So that's it for the session today, friends. I hope you really understand it and have fun with programming and write more programs and include all these new methods into it. Fall in love with programming and have fun with programming. And don't forget to like and share this video. And most important thing is, yes, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting and fun-filled one. Bye-bye and take care.